I got to dance for my people today. You see this today's headwrap tutorial na simple one, so we got to dance first before we learn. Oh yeah, make we go learn now. So how una dey? Hope una dey well well for your side. Me I dey fine, I dey okay oh. So today headwrap. So you just need your wetin you need be your lycra material now. Just get your lycra material and just watch my hand. Very simple. You are making like a donut, you are making like a round. So you just tie it like that and you start dipping the excess inside the hole you made. Hope you dey get me now. I guess you are getting me. So like that, just dip it in, continue to dip in. If you are coming across my video for the first time, don't forget to follow for more headwrap tutorials. Don't forget to like and share. Let it reach people that will need this thing. So if una get to share this video, just try and share, follow, like for more headwrap. I'm still on it, making that hole, making it round. Just continue dipping it until you feel the remaining one is okay for you to tie your head at the middle to the back. Okay, so I'm almost done. I'm just adjusting it there. After I made that hole now, it's just to place on my head. Make una focus your eyes dey watch oh. You don see that hole, e still dey there, e no comot. If you want am comot, e get how you go do am. Follow me, so the day I go show you, you go watch am. So now this one I don reach this side now. Wetin I go do? I don scatter am for my head, put am hand. I wan go knot am for back. So as I did here I just dey adjust. I dey adjust am make the thing align well before I go knot am for back. You see this puff puff or donut or wetin you call am wey dey for front, I love am well well. So I don turn to the back I don come knot am, come dip am inside. You know say mama no get ear. That my knot come make am look beautiful now. People no go take know say, they no go kukuli know say I no get ear mama don finish tying. See mama, see